Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our daily LeetCode challenge problem. This problem is maximum total subarray value 1. So as you can see, this problem is about subarray. And what is a subarray? Subarray is any array where the indices are consecutive. So you cannot select, you cannot just maintain the original order and skip some values. You have to select all the indices which are consecutive. So that is the meaning of subarray. Subarray is something in which you need to select all the consecutive elements. So you are given an integer array nums of length n and an integer k. So two things are given as input to you. You need to choose exactly k non-empty subarrays. You need to choose exactly k, not less than, not 1 2, but exactly k, and k is given as input. K non-empty subarrays of nums. Subarrays may overlap, and the exact same subarray can be chosen more than once. See, if this line is there, the exact same subarray, same left and right, can be chosen more than once. Okay, this line is very critical. Now, and what is this value of subarray? So value of the subarray is defined as maximum value of the subarray minus minimum value of the subarray. And now total value is the sum of the values of all chosen subarrays. So in this case, exact same subarray can be chosen more than once. So if this is allowed, then we should always choose that subarray which has that maximum of the original given input array and minimum of the given input array as element of that subarray. So because only in that case we'll be having that maximum, max minus min value captured, and that will optimize our value of the total value. So this thing is what is required here. So now, given this, we will try to solve this problem. So let's just go through the constraints of this problem. So the constraint of this problem says that this value nums I can be greater than equal to 0 but less than 10 to the power 9. Okay, so this is the constraint of the problem. So with this constraint, it means that max will be always greater than -1. For min, we can take the value of nums of 0. Okay, and then we will start one loop, and then for int x of nums, in this what we will do, if x is greater than max, then max is equal to nums, max is equal to x. If x is less than min, then min is equal to x. Okay, if it is like this, then what we will do, then we will do here return max minus min. See, this is given that the exact same subarray can be chosen more than once. So if this is the case, then why not choose the subarray which has the maximum and the minimum value all the time? If we are ensuring that we are choosing that subarray which has the max, the global max of the entire array and the global mean of that entire array, then only we'll be having that optimal output value. So we are doing that, we are assuming that our array is overlapping, and then we are multiplying it with k. But see, the thing here that the output is expected as long, and the value of k at most could be 10 to the power 5, and nums I could be 0 and 10 to the power 9. So it could be 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 5. So it could be 10 to the power 16, which is obviously beyond the range of int. So we need to cast it into long, so that this is there. Okay, So fine, I think this is enough. So this is the test cases are passing. Now let's submit it so that the global test cases. So see why I am sharing this solution. See, in this solution we could have gone through using the sliding window and creating all the different subarrays and then going through the solution. But this one particular line, subarrays may overlap and exact same subarray can be chosen more than once. This particular line gives us the liberty to directly go ahead and do this. We are only casting it into long so that this integer overflow problem is not arising. Why? Because the k value can be 10 to the power 5 and difference could be 10 to the power 9. So 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 5 is a large value. So in order to do that, we will just submit it. Perfect. So this is what I wanted to showcase in this solution. I hope this is clear to one and all. So with this, I would like to end this video.